So this is the GK68HE, and I like this keyboard because it's very compact. It's only 65% of the full keyboard and 68 keys. For me, it's a great minimal options if you have like small desk and you don't need those bigger mechanical keyboards, and it's very small, and I think it's a good choice for most people. As for the design, it's not super flashy, but the body has a nice feel. It's made of a high quality plastic, though it has a metal look like. One of my favorite features is its magnetic switches, which let you adjust the actuation points. This is really useful for gaming and office work, especially for typing, since you can set the actuation point anywhere from 0.1 to 4.0. You can personalize it to your preferences. And if you are a gamer, it also has a rapid trigger features which improve responsiveness. This is especially useful because they have specific software where you can tweak advanced options like DKS, meaning double keystroke, and MPT, multi-press trigger, and actually have a lot of options in this software in the advanced key, and you can easily understand because there's a guide here on this side. However, one issue is that some setting cannot be saved, so you might need to download the software again. Luckily, it's a web base, making it easy to access. The keyboard also has a macro management, so you can record your macros for more efficient key presses. This is really useful for gaming and productivity. Another thing I love is the high polling rate. It goes up to 8,000. So meaning the keyboard responds incredibly fast. It also has a hot swappable switches, so you don't need to do any soldering if you want to change them. Super flexible and customizable. The RGB lighting is another plus. It has a 6 million colors, and you can fully customize the lighting effects through the software with options like statics, dynamics, and custom modes. And lastly, this keyboard supports both Windows and Mac, making it versatile for different setups, and yeah, that's about it. So the keyboard also comes with a mouse, the Skyloong M1 gaming mouse. It's not like a super high-end pro gaming mouse, but it's got a bunch of cool features that makes it worth considering. It's pretty basic, but the thing I really like is the tri-mode connectivity. You can use it via Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, or wired, so it's super flexible depending on how you want to use it. The sensor is also pretty solid. It's got a Pixar 3325 sensor, which is great for tracking, especially if you're into a competitive gaming. You can also download software to customize the RGB lighting, so you can tweak the colors and effect however you like. The software has some preset modes. There's Office mode, Game 1 mode, and Game 2 mode. I usually go with the Gaming 1 mode since I play sometimes, and there's also a macro options which are great for stuff like PUBG, so you can set up quick triggers. Some of the software is in Chinese though, so I'm not totally sure what every setting does. In the advanced setting, you can adjust the DPI level with a small button in the middle of the mouse. Just click it to switch between different DPI settings, and you can customize the numbers too. The RGB lighting is also super customizable. You can set it in different modes like constant, breathing cycle, or just turn it off completely. I personally like the neon effect, and you can even change the speed of lighting effect. The software is pretty easy to use, and you can download it from the Skyloong website. Honestly, the keyboard and the mouse go really well together, so if you're into gaming or even just need a solid setup for work, I recommend getting both. The black color looks really clean, and what's cool is that you can actually remove the mouse cover and swap it to a different style. It even comes with a stickers, so you can customize it however you want.